Everyone, welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Today I'm going to show you that how you can make dry fruits smoothie, which is a healthy and instant breakfast. So, add some walnuts. I am taking 2 walnuts, 2 anjeer, add them into a bowl. Next I'm adding some almonds around 5 to 6. Add some raisins about 1 teaspoon. Then add 2 to 3 cashews. I split the cashews. Then add some chia seeds. Add melon seeds for healthy fats and omega 3. Add pumpkin seeds. You can adjust your seeds and dry fruits according to you. Add some water and let it soak overnight. Soaking overnight is very important as it reduces the content of phytates. Phytates are nutrient inhibitor, thus it is ideal to soak before using the nuts. Okay, next day I'm adding this soaked nuts into my blender jar. Into this, I am adding oats milk. You can use any other plant based milk or even dairy milk if you don't have lactose intolerance. Next, for flavor, I am adding cardamom powder, also known as choti ilaichi ka powder. For sweetness, I am adding 1 date. You can adjust dates according to your taste. Blend all them into a smoothie consistency. And you have it, your creamy, delicious smoothie. Pour it into a serving glass and please like this video if you are new to my channel. And if you loved what I share, you can please subscribe to my channel for more such healthy videos because being healthy and responsible towards ourselves is our responsibility. You can also comment your thoughts in the comments box and I will see you soon. Till then, bye bye, take care. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.